Hello friends, in this video we will going to discuss about how to add subscription plan in Play Store. So let's be started. First of all, open this. I will add subscription plan in my VPN application. You can check this. If you want any other application add subscription plan, all steps is same, so don't worry, just follow these steps. We open my Android Studio and open my application also. Just open constant.java. This is my VPN application. If you have any other application, just open according to your application. And the subscription plan option, you can check this. I have opened this, and if you want to add your subscription money here, you can check this. First we have total 4 plan for subscription addition, so you can check this. First is monthly, 3 month, 6 month and yearly wise. And according to subscription plan, we just need to add prices. So we just add, I have add my monthly price is 100 rupees. In rupees I have add in rupees. If you want any other currency, then you can add according to you. Okay, so we just need to open this our Play Console account. You have just need your app is live on Play Store, so then you can add your subscription plan. So my app is live on Play Store, so open this and just go down here. Just click on monetization option and click here. You can see this option. Just click on production and you can just open in-app product. You can see this option, and if you open this subscription option, you can see this option. Because you don't get any subscription option, so you just need to add in-app product. Again open subscription option. You need to payment profile. Just you need to add your payment profile for your application. So we just open this, and we need to add your payment method option first. So open your profile here and add your all information here. Just we need to add your business name, your mail ID and all information here. Okay, so I have add all my information and click on save. You can check this setting billing method. You can see like this type. Okay, now we just next steps is just add payment method. We need to add our payment method. Just add your payment account. Just click on add payment method. Now you have just need bank account, name of bank account and IFSC code, account number. Add all your information according to you. Okay, so I will add this, and then when you add all your steps, then click on save option. We just add save option. Now I have add all. Again click on this application, going on same process and going in monetization option, subscription plan. Now you can get subscription plan option, create subscription. You can see this option. Okay, after done it, just click on create subscription. Product ID, you need to add your unique product ID and add your product ID carefully, don't get any confused. I have add this, and the name of this subscription plan I have add VPN11 and description also VPN11. Don't add anything in benefit option. Okay, just go down and price. First of all, you just billing period, I add monthly, and monthly price is I just add 100 INR yani Indian rupees. You can change according to currency, according to your country also. Just click on apply and don't do anything in other option. You can check also, I have add product ID VPN1, and you can add anything according to you. Okay, don't do anything in other option. Now we need to add click on save button. You can see this is inactive. Now you need to create click on activate button, then our subscription plan is activated. So we just click on activate. Now my monthly plan is activated. Okay, again click on subscription button. You can see this one subscription is added. Now we just need again click on create subscription. I have added monthly. Now we need to add 6 month, 3 months, 6 month and yearly. Total I have 4 plans, so I have add all. I have add a product ID VPN2, and again name is VPN12 and description is also 12, and billing period just 3 month. Set prices I add. You can check also in or Android Studio here. Here I have add. You just need to add same price in Android Studio also and your Play Console. Both are same. You need just both are same. Don't do anything change. I have add 3 month for 200 rupees. Don't do anything in other option. Just click on save and click on activate. Again click on subscription option, and you can see this I have add 2 subscription plan. Now we just need again VPN3, and the subscription detail is VPN13. I have add this. Description is also VPN13, and set billing period is just 6 month, and set pricing also I can check here. I have add 350 rupees. Okay, 350 rupees we add this. You can change according to prices also, but you can't change product ID, so be careful. In this apply, I apply this. Don't do anything option, just click on save and click on activate. Now I have add total 3 plan, and last is yearly, and total price is 500 rupees. Click on subscription option. Just click on create subscription also again, and product ID is I add VPN4, and the name also VPN14. Description is VPN14. Don't do anything in benefit. Just billing period is yearly, and price is here. Add you can India rupees 500 India rupees. Just click on apply prices. You can check also prices. If you want any changes, you can change this. Just click on apply and click on just save option and activate it. Now I have add my all 4 subscription plan successfully. You can get this. Okay, so you can add your all subscription plan. Okay, so product ID is, you can just copy this product ID and go in Android Studio and change this product ID with your product ID. We have just need open this constant.java, so you can check this product ID. So add your own product ID. Subscription plan product ID. This is my product ID, and this is for yearly. Just copy this my yearly and add here. This is yearly, 6 month and 3 month. All 4 plan product ID we just need add here. So I add here my subscription plan product ID. Don't get any confused and don't do any error here. So this is my monthly and 3 months, 6 month and yearly wise. This is for 6 month VPN3. Okay, I again check this all thing is correct or not. I check this VPN 6 month. For 6 month its product ID is VPN 3, and yearly for VPN 4, monthly for VPN 1, and every 3 month its product ID is VPN 2. Now it's all is good. Okay, I have done all. Now next steps, I will just create new APK file again and just upload on Play Store, update on Play Store also. So I have add all subscription plan here now with proper pricing. So first we need to change version code. I add version code 2 and version name is 2. Just change this. Okay, just click on sync now, and now your project is synchronized with internet connection. I have changed successfully. Just click on build, generate signed bundle, and you can check this option and add your password which you added previous time. Don't get confused and don't use another password. You just need to add your same password. Click on last option, click on next button, and release and finish. After some time we get our build bundle APK file. So just need to wait some time. When our APK file or build bundle file is generated successfully, then we need to again upload on Play Console account and update it. So just wait, and I open this. Going to the above option and just click on the release option. Click on production and click on create new release. Just click on create new release. If you have any other application and you want to add subscription plan, then you just need to the same approximate same process. Okay, if you got any message, error message, or if you have any doubt or question or query, then you can send me message in comment box. So just open this and edit release. Just click on edit release. You got this message, upload option. This upload option, and if you want to discard a release, then you can click on discard a release. You can discard this file. Fine. So first I create again app bundle. You can check this. Just wait for some minutes until our signed APK file is generated. Now you can check this signed bundle is generated now successfully. Just copy this directory where I have my APK file or build bundle file. Just click on upload and paste this directory .aab file. This is a build bundle file, signed build bundle file. Just upload here and wait for some time until your AAB file or signed APK file is uploaded here. And don't do any disconnect internet, because if you disconnect your internet, then you got error message. So be proper your internet connection in your laptop or computer. Now we just need to add a release name. I mean, just you can add what you change your APK file, what you add in your APK file. So I have add in subscription plan in my APK file. So you can just type here. I just wait for some minute. Just go down. You can check one build bundle uploaded. My file is uploaded successfully now. Release note. I have add the subscription plan and add some and fix some bugs in my application. You can just type here. And release name, you can see this version code is also added 2 and 2.0.0. This is automatically added when your APK file or .ab file is uploaded. Okay, so don't do anything in release name. release notes completed. Now just click on save. Click on review release. Click on start rollout to production. Click on rollout. Now I have added successfully now, and I have uploaded my APK file successfully. And for live this application and for update this application, approximate time is 2 to 3 days approx time take by Google Play Console. It's going in a review file. So this is all steps for you can add your subscription plan for your application in your Play Console account successfully. If you got any error message, then you can send me message in my Instagram, or have any query or question, you can send me in comment box. Thank you.